Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn about exponential notation. So we're going to learn about the exponents and the base. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. I have here 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The number 2 is being multiplied to itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, there is another way on how you can write this given. That is 2 raised to the 5th power. This is how you're going to read this. The number 2 should be written here, and then how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the exponent. Okay, here that's 5. Now, this is what we call the expanded form. And this one is what we call exponential form or exponential notation. Now, this number 2 is what we call the base, and 5 is what we call the exponent. Exponent tells how many times the base is multiplied to itself. So, if this is 5, means you need to multiply to the base 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the base, that's the number that being multiplied to itself. Now, again, you can read this as 2 to the 5th power. Or we have here, if you're going to get the value or give the value of this, this is 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8, 8 times 2, that is 16, and 16 times 2 is 32. Means 2 to the 5th power is equal to 32. Now, how about if I have 2, then the exponent is 2. How are we going to read this? This is read as 2 squared. If the exponent is 3, that is read as 2 cubed. If it is 4, you can read that as 2 to the 4th power. So the rest, 6 raised to the 6th power, 7th power. Okay. Now, let's have exponential form and then we'll give the expanded form. So if I have a to the 3rd power, the exponent is 3, means a to the 3rd power or a cubed, means you're going to multiply a 3 times. A times a times a. Now, here, we can use this symbol for multiplication or you can use parentheses. Please avoid using x as a multiplication sign. If I have x squared, means that you are going to multiply x 2 times to itself and y 3 times. So that is equal to x times y times y times y. If you have 4 squared times a to the 4th means multiply and times b cubed. Multiply that 4 times 4, then 4 times that you're going to multiply a times a times a times a, and then b times b times b. And then 1/2 squared means you're going to multiply 1/2 twice. So that is 1/2 times 1/2. Or you can use parentheses also, like 1/2 times 1/2. Okay? The same thing with here, -6 squared. So here, the negative is inside the parentheses means it is included in squaring. So when you are going to square that or multiply that twice means -6 times -6. Or you can use also parentheses as -6 times -6. Okay. Okay, now a while ago, we just expand. We didn't get the value. But this time, the exponential form and its value, it means we're going to simplify or give the value. But before that, if I have a here, understood, there is an exponent of 1. So simply, that is a. What about if I have 4 raised to 0? That is equal to 1. Any number or variable raised to 0 is always equal to 1. Let's say I have x squared, that is still equal to 1. If I have 1 half raised to 0, that is still equal to 1. Negative 6 raised to 0, that is still equal to 1. Okay, now I want you to complete this table. I have here the exponential form. You identify the base, identify the exponent, write the expanded form, and the value. Give the value or simplified form. If you want to do it yourself first, you can pause the video. Okay, number 1, 4 is the base. Exponent is 3. The expanded form is 4 times 4 times 4. And the simplified form is, or the value is 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. Negative 3 is the base, and the exponent is 4. It means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. And that is equal to 81. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3, that is negative 27. Negative 27 times negative 3 is positive 81. 3/4, that's the base. Exponent is 2. It means we are going to multiply 3/4 to itself twice. 3/4 times 3/4. So multiply 3 times 3 and 4 times 4. So that is 9/16. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 4, 16. What about 5 to the second power or 5 squared? The base is 5 and 2. The exponent is 2 and 0. And the value for that, or I mean the expanded form, is 5 times 5, then times 1. Because 2 raised to 0 is 1. And that is equal to 25. Now, I have 6 squared times x cubed. The base is 6 and x. Exponents, we have 2 and 3. Expanded form means 6 times 6 times x times x times x. And that is 36x cubed. So usually, if there is a letters here, the expanded form, in the final answer, you are just going to copy this. Okay? Only the number that you are going to multiply or add. So now, what is 10 raised to 0? Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. And what is 10 raised to 1? Mean 10, that is equal to 10. What is 10 raised to 2? Then 10 squared, and that is mean 10 times 10 is equal to 100. What is 10 raised to 3? 10 cubed means you are going to multiply 10 3 times. So 10 times 10 times 10, and that is 1,000. And then, what is 10 raised to 4? 10 raised to 4 is equal to 10,000. Okay, look at this one. Here, 10 raised to 0 is 1. Then 10 raised to 1 is 10. So the number of zeros here, you notice, is the same as the exponent here. There is 1 0, or the exponent is 1, and we have 1 0 here. The exponent is 2, and we have 2 zeros here. The exponent is 3, and we have 3 zeros here. And here 4, therefore we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Here, the exponent is 0, it means there is no 0 here. So, instead of multiplying 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, you can simply add zeros to 1. It depends on the exponent. Let's say, if I have 10 raised to 5, I'm not going to multiply anymore 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Instead, I'm just going to write 1 and then 5 zeros. 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 100,000. Okay? That is if the base is 10 or powers of 10. Now, what is 3 squared plus 2 cubed? 3 squared means 3 times 3. Then, you're going to add that to 2 cubed, that is 2 times 2 times 2. So, 3 times 3, that is 9, plus 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. Therefore, that is equal to 17. And that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!